Have you ever wondered if a simple pharmacy tablet could transform your indoor plants? In today's video, I'll share a surprisingly powerful secret. One tiny tablet that can do wonders for your green friends. We're talking about glycine, an incredibly simple, natural amino acid that packs a punch. Glycine boosts the concentration of chlorophyll in plants and helps build living cells. It speeds up recovery after stress, stimulates rapid growth, encourages vibrant flowering, strengthens the root system, and even boosts plant immunity. To prepare this magical top dressing, just crush 1 tablet of glycine and dissolve it in 1 liter of warm water. Stir the solution thoroughly for best results. You can use it as a leaf spray or pour it directly under the root. For healthy growth and lush, beautiful blooms, apply this treatment once every 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more plant care tips.